Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 EVS class. Today we will already which chapter we started, World of Animals. Today we will discuss the part of this chapter. So in this chapter we already learned about some animals and about animals which we already learned in your science classes also. But here we have to discuss the about insects, about reptiles, which we already discussed previous days. But this point, where do they live? And these things also you learned in your science class, that food and homes of animals. About homes of animals, there you already learned that where they live, right? So different animals live in different places. Hope you all remember, because just some days before we discussed about it, so you can relate with the science chapter, with this EVS chapter tentatively. So different animals live in different places. You know, all are not live in the same place. That we human and have also the different types of house. Some have pakka house, some have kacha house. So those different types of house as we live, like that those animals also live in different types of house, different types of places, or their homes also different. So some animals lives on land, you know, that's we call the land animals, and some animals live on water, some on trees. You know who lives on trees? Those birds, those monkey, those animals lives on trees and lives on land. So those who lives on land, we call them land animal. We call them land animal. So they are, you know, lion, tiger, and we know some animals who lives around us also. They are we call the pet animals. They are cow, dog, cat. So those are pet animals, these three as the example. There are also some pet animals, rabbit, goat. So they are also, they are also pet animals. I am writing here just three. So they are also live on land, and this lion, tiger, giraffe, elephant, they also live on land, but they are the wild animals. As they live in the forest, they don't live with us or around us. So they are the wild animals, they live in forest. And cow, dog, cat, which you say that sheep, buffalo, goat, rabbit, those are live around us. Some of them live in our house also, because we pet them. So those are called pet animals. Okay. So they are live in the different types of places, and some live in water. So who live in water, we can call them water animal as easy. They live in land, we call them land animal. As they live in water, we call them water animal. And that is one example is very known to everyone, that is fish. Yes, fish is an water animal. And there are also some that crocodile, there are crab, water crab, octopus, shark, whale. So shark, whale, they all live in water. There are lot of examples. So a lot of animal lives in water. Their water is their home. So octopus, crab, etc. So there are a lot of examples. They live in water, and some on trees. These things is very known to everyone, that is monkey, right? That monkey, we can see them on trees, and they live in also on trees. And the birds, that is they make their home also on the trees. So those they live in. Here you can see two box here, and some pictures on their names already given, that land animals, dog, goat, lion, as I just told you, and the water animals, fish, seahorse and tortoise. And next page, at page number 76, next page you can see the animals that live both on land and in water. So these things is to as you learn the land animals and water animals, so they live land and water both, land and water both. So they both live in land and water. So their names are tortoise, frog, tortoise, frog, and snake also. They also live both. So they also moving on land or in water. So as they live in, so tortoise and frog is the main example who lives on land and in water. And animals that live on trees, as I told it, monkey, birds, and here one picture already given, that is squirrel also. They also live on trees. So here is about the where they live or where those animals live and the homes of animals. So these things is very easy because you already learned the homes of animals, that some of animals lives on land, some of animals lives in water, some animals live both on land in water, and some animals lives on trees. So you have to remember their examples also, and you can relate the chapter of your science book, so you can gain extra knowledge about their homes also. Okay everyone, so read your chapter very attentively at your home. Have a nice day and bye.